In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this channel can't be displayed problem on Telegram app. So all what you have to do guys is very simple and easy. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and then disable it again. Go back, open the apps manager on your phone and then go to the apps. On this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone, or what you have to do is just wait a few seconds and then you need to start scrolling like this until you find Telegram, and when you find it click on it like this. After that click here on force stop, go down to the storage, click here on this clear cache like this to clear all the cache that you have on the app. And after that open the permissions right here and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone, reopen Telegram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.